welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another GlitzGlamBox, and this is a mystery box that they had on their website. I actually got two in here. They put them both in here, and the small one and the large one. And I got it because it's supposed to have a good selection of different things. And the other thing that I really like about GlitzGlamBox, if you don't already know, that it's a monthly subscription box that costs $15 a month. But on their website, they also have mystery boxes, bags, and other things that you can purchase. And they are very much so supportive of indie brands, which I absolutely love. And their stuff tends to be pretty affordable, so there you go. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the mystery box and see what kind of lovelies they sent me. Okay, so you open the box and it is beautifully wrapped just like this. And we are going to start with what looks like the smaller one. I can't really tell which is the smaller one. We'll start with this one. We'll go with that. Move that out of the way though. First thing we got in the small one is this brush right here. This is clean color. I'm reading upside down. And it looks like a really nice brush. This brush here retails for $6. Now I don't really need a brush. I have a drawer full of brushes, so I'm going to stick this into the summer giveaway. The next item we have here is Diamond Line Pencil. Let's see, and that is what the box looks like. And this retails for $12. Now let me see what it looks like on the inside. Oh yeah, this is cool. Okay, this is what it looks like out of the box. And it is silver, which I'm thrilled. I'm super thrilled. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my hand. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. I'm gonna put more on my hand because I don't know that you can see that. This is so stunning. Look at this. Imagine that under your eyes. That is so nice. Okay. The next item they sent me is this Silk Matte Lipstick. This is KARMELA, and that is the package for that. And this retails for $24. Now, oh, this packaging is so pretty. Look at this packaging. And it's very heavy and very weighted. Ooh, look at that color. That is super pink. And you know what? I'll wear that pink. That is gorgeous. Ooh, okay. Feels creamy. And look at that. It is giving me some 80s neon vibes, and I'm here for it. I'm very much so here for that. So the last item that was in the small mystery box was a palette from Iconic Beauty. This is the Hollywood palette. I have not tried any other palettes before, so let's go ahead and look inside. This is a nice palette. Look at that. Okay, so it looks like this top row is shimmers, second row is mixed, and the bottom row is just mattes. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch those. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. They all swatched very nicely. Only had to dip my finger in once to get it to show up like that. So they do seem pigmented and creamy and nice. I have never used a palette by Iconic Beauty, so super excited about that. You'll probably see that again in a future first impressions video, because that's going to happen. Probably not going to get all those shades on, but you know I'm going to try. So that is it of the first mystery bundle, and we're going to go ahead and see what was in the other one. Alright, first item in this other one is another brush. This brush retails for $5, but again, I don't need another brush, so I'm just gonna stick this brush into the giveaway as well. So you get 2 more brushes in the summer giveaway. There you go. The next item we have here is this blue Tansy Rose Hemp Mist. I absolutely love anything with rose or rose hemp. So this is a rose hip mist to reduce the appearance of redness while restoring balance and hydration for a healthy, clear complexion. So this is pretty much a toner, is what they're saying. That is what that looks like, and that is also by Iconic Beauty. The next item we have is this lip liner pencil in NABI. This is NUTMEG lip liner pencil, and this retails, let's see what this retails for. It's not on here, but let's go ahead and look at the color. There you go. I'm not going to swatch this because I probably am not going to use this. Not that I don't like it, but I have colors similar to this already, so I'm just going to pass this along. Alright, so the next we have is Rude Cosmetics 2-in-1 Shimmer. This is eyeliner, eyeshadow, and that is what that looks like. And this retails for $6. Alright, there is what it looks like outside of the box. There's the tip of it. I swatched this in 2 separate ways because I wanted to look at it because it said liner or eyeshadow. And I'm not really sure how it's going to work on either way on my eyeball, but there it is. Okay, the next item that was in it is GLAMLITE Liquid Lipstick in Bon Appetit. This retails for $12. I have not tried anything by GLAMLITE before, so I'm super excited about this. Okay, this is super cool. Okay, look at that. It's shaped like a triangle. But look at this. There's a mirror. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it. There's the color. It's a very basic color. This is a nice formula. It doesn't feel heavy at all. Okay, so that is that. That's the, I mean, clearly that's the liquid lip, but there you go. And the last item that was in the large mystery box, this palette, AESTHETICA Be Bold. And these are the shadows. Those are really pretty shadows. Very much colors I would wear too. I'm kind of wondering if they've been looking at my channel or not. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and swatch those and show you what those look like. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. Those are really, really nice colors. I definitely enjoy the way the formula feels in a swatch. But again, this palette will probably end up in one of my first impression try-on videos, so that's going to happen. And that is it. That is it of both of the mystery boxes. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite products of the mystery boxes. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video.